This is a video of the Royal Palm Inn. Royal Inn. Very nice. This is a nice little suite. It's got like a TV in here, a desk, sofa. It's got, excuse the food there. It's got a coffee maker here. Microwave. It's got the cabinets.
We got a full size refrigerator.
This right here is the kitchen. This right here is the kitchen area. Microwave. Coffee maker. It also has a toaster. A couple of cups there. Kitchen area. Oh, it even has dishes. It has coffee cups, dishes. Pretty cool. Ice has a refrigerator. Bathroom behind me. Nice, very nice. It has two closets. This closet here. There's a closet over here also. I think this is the closet. Yep, closet here. So it's got two closets. One here, one over there. It has a second TV. Dresser. Mirror. The beds are really, really nice. Set up nice. It also has this one here. Let's see what this is. Air conditioning unit right there. Let's see what this is. Okay. But it also has a picnic bench. We're on the lake. Two chairs. The other chairs over there. Nice little chairs over there. Very nice view. Slide glass door. Refrigerator. Oh, here's the bathroom. Nice little bathroom. I'll turn the light on. Nice little bathroom. Set up pretty nice. Has a bathtub. Very nice. Very satisfied. Very, very satisfied. What do you guys think? I love it. Nice little desk, TV, and so it has two TVs. At least this one does. Nice little sofa. A little phone there. I think it's nice. It's set up just like a small apartment. Look at that. Little room for shelves, for towels there. Extra pillows, blankets, iron. I think this is nice. What do y'all think?
I love it.
I love it too. And then here it has also another sink. It has two sinks, one in the bathroom and one in here.
And the kitchen.
And then it has the kitchen sink, of course. There's three sinks. Bathroom sink, kitchen sink, and then we have a bedroom sink. That's pretty cool. Very nice. I'm impressed. I have nothing to complain about. And this is the second TV.